What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today, we are talking about our 10 ways to make money with real estate. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Alright, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. My top 10 ways to make money with real estate. But before we even get started, man, go ahead and get a t-shirt, bro. Get a Well Fellas t-shirt for the summer. That link is in the description. Go ahead and support the movement. I highly appreciate it. Plus, the t-shirts is bomb. I got a lot of different colors. I rock the green one, but there's a lot of different colors on the site. So go ahead and check it out. All right, so number 1. Single family rentals. This is one of the more common ways of making money with real estate, right? You can buy your home and rent it out to someone else and have them pay down the mortgage through the cost of the monthly rent. Fairly simple, cut and dry, right? Let's move on to number 2, rent to own. This is basically a dream deferred because you can still get into real estate investing, but it might take a little longer than you originally planned. But it's still a possibility. You find a landlord that's willing to let you put a portion of the rent to the side for a future down payment on the home. Once said money gets to the goal of down payment status, then you will be able to take out a mortgage on the home and buy the owner out. And you can do this and use one of the options listed below to become an investor or landlord yourself. Number 3, house hacking. Alright, so there are 3 different ways to house hack. Alright. Most people only know about 2, but I'm gonna put you on. Alright. Alright, so you can purchase a house with an ensuite and rent it out to someone else. And you can rent out a room to a roommate. And you can also rent out your garage as storage space through an app called Neighborhood. You can do all 3 of these hacks or pick one or a combination of 2 different hacks and make some money and then use that money to pay down the mortgage and either sell the home or flip the home or use the equity to go buy another home. It's a lot of options. Number 4, short-term rentals. Okay, this option of making money with real estate is very good for people that have properties in vacation hotspots or business locations that people tend to travel to a lot. I wouldn't have a short-term rental if I'm not in a tourist location though. I don't think that would make sense because you could end up not having that many people come to your town or area. You definitely have to be in a major city and try to be close as possible to the major attraction in that city, if at all possible, okay? Number 5, home flipping. This is great for those that know the games of buying low and selling high, all right? You buy the property for the lowest cost from a property owner that's willing and ready to offload the property. Maybe they're going through a divorce. Maybe there's a situation that they're just financially incapable of holding down this property. Once the property hits escrow, they will fix it up and sell the property to an investor or a person that just wants to live there. You know what I mean? With a ready-made house and all that good stuff. Real estate wholesaling. See, a wholesaler finds a distressed seller such as an owner going through a divorce, just like the other one, or under financial hardship, just like the other one. But after negotiating a purchase contract with the below market price, the wholesaler opens escrow with a small refundable earnest money deposit, then finds another investor to assign the contract to in exchange for a wholesaler fee. When the deal closes, the wholesaler gets paid and the new owner makes any needed repairs, then turns around and sells the home or rents it out to a qualified tenant. Are you following along? Okay. See how you can use different ones combined. You can combo things. It's nice, right? It's like a McDonald's combo. Next up, we got 7, real estate bird dog. You ever heard about this one? Well, real estate investors hire bird dogs to search for distressed properties or to find owners selling off the market, then pass the lead along in exchange for a bird dog fee. While fees vary based on the investor and the quality of the lead, but fees that real estate bird dogs earn may range from $500 to $5,000 or more. I actually do this in my spare time and make some really good money. My fee is negotiable, but it starts at around $1,000. Now, bird dog and wholesaling is similar, okay? But the only difference is bird dogs don't get any contracts with any buyers, anybody like that. They just get all that stuff to the wholesaler. See how that go? Number 8, private lending. Private and hard money lending is a super easy way to start making money from real estate. It's a little risky, but no risk, no reward. You know what I mean? You gotta be risky sometimes. Because private and hard money lenders provide loans to people who can't qualify for financing or who need a loan to fix and flip a home. Interest rates are high and the loan terms are short, creating a possibility of making some good money in a short period of time, all right? And steps private lenders take to help minimize the risk include requiring the borrower to have a large amount of equity, collateralizing the loan with other assets the borrower owns, or even taking a small piece of the deal. All right, it's a lot of ways you can work it. And if you need funding for your next real estate fix and flip or any deal or any business, check out the link below in the description. Okay, it's thewealthbuilders.com/WBZ-funding. The link in the description, like I said. Number 9, real estate agent. You don't need a license to invest in real estate, but you do need one to sell it. Right? You need your license, right? This is where a real estate agent comes into the equation. Being a real estate agent is an easy way for people to get into the real estate game with not much risk. All you have to do is go to the real estate school or take an online course. Then you can pass the exam and get your license. Fairly cut and dry, all right? Real estate agents have access to a multiple listing service called the MLS. You know what I'm saying? It's not soccer though. Okay, just make sure you know that it's not soccer. But this can be a good way to find deals as soon as they hit the market. Real estate agents typically earn a sales commission equal to the 3% of the property selling price for representing a buyer or a seller. So the money can quickly add up for an agent willing to work hard in the business. And finally, number 10, property manager. This is the final way to make money on this list, all right? And it's becoming a property manager. This is one of the easiest ways to use your real estate license while you attempt to make other income selling properties. Now, property managers usually make around anywhere between 8 to 10% of the monthly rental fee. In addition to new client startup fees, commission on new leases, and even tenant renewals, project management fees for a major renovation, and sometimes markups on repair work done by outside vendors. So, yeah, property managers, they get paid. They get paid a lot of different ways. So, and like I said, yes, there are other ways to make money while dealing with real estate, and there is no one size fit all situation. But the best thing about real estate is that you don't have to stick to one way all the time. All right. And if you need funding for your business or real estate deal, check out the link below and get your business evaluated for free and see if your qualifications are ready for the fundings, for that money. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for my 10 ways to make money with real estate. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.